Good morning children. In the previous class we have learned about the basics of divisions. Now in this class let us do the sums. First one, 63 divided by 9. In 9 table how many times we will get 63? Do you know 9 table children? Tell me. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. 9 sixes are 54. 9 sevens are 63. How many times we get? 9 sevens are 63. 9 sevens are 63. Division means repeated subtraction. So in divisions we have to do subtract. 63 minus 63, 0. Here 63 is called dividend, 9 is called divisor, 7 is called quotient and 0 is called remainder. Let us do next one. 48 divided by 6. 48, 6. In 6 table, how many times we will get 48? Say 6 table. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48. How many times we will get 48? 7 times. 6 sevens are, 6 eights are 48. 6 eights are 48. 48 minus 48, 0. So here 48 is dividend, 6 is the divisor, 8 is the quotient, 0 is the remainder. Okay children, next one. 74 divided by 4. 74 divided by 4. In 4 table, how many times you will get 74? You know up to tens are only. 4 tens are 40. But here we have 74. So here you have to take one place only. In addition, subtraction, multiplication, we will start with the ones place. But in the divisions, we will start from our left hand side. That means if there is a dividend, that is a 2-digit number, you will start with the tens place first. If there is a 3-digit number, you start from the hundreds place. Okay? Here this is a 2-digit number. Here tens place value is 7. So we will take only tens place digit here. Okay children? So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. But here tens place value is 7. Which number we will take? 4 or 8? 7 is between 4 and 8 here. So here we have to take always the lesser number. Always lesser number we have to choose. So 4 ones are 4. Do subtraction. 7 minus 4. Take 7 fingers, cut off 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left? 3. So 7 minus 4, 3. Next look children, 3. This is the dividend here. So this is the division. So dividend is lesser than the divisor. So it is not possible to do division. So that's why next place value, go to the next place value and write it down. What is the ones place value here? 4. So here now 34. In 34, in 4 table how many times we will get 34? 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36. Here 32 and 36 are there. No 34 in the 22. Do subtraction. 4 minus 2, 2. 3 minus 3, 0. So the leftover number is 2 and the divisor is 4. Is it possible to do division? No. So that's why here we are ending the division. So this 2 is called the remainder here. Okay? Okay children. Next one. 448 divided by 8. 448 divided by 8. Divide with 8. So here this is a 3-digit number. First choose the hundreds place. 4. This is lesser than the divisor. So division is not possible. That's why take 2 digits. 44. 40 for how many times in 8 table? Say 8 table. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 sixes are 48. So here 44 is lie between 40 and 48. That's why we have to choose 40. Lesser number we have to choose. So how many times? 5 times. 8 fives are 40. Do subtraction. 44 minus 40. 4 minus 0, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Left side 0, no value. So here 44 minus 40 means 4 only. 4 divided by 8. Is it possible? No. That's why write it down the next place digit, that is the 8. 48. 48 in 8 table. How many times we will get? 8 sixes are 48. So 8 sixes are 48. Again do subtraction. 48 minus 48 how much? 0. So here 0 is the remainder. 448 is the dividend. 8 is the divisor. 56 is the quotient. What is the next one? 396 divided by 6. 396 divided by 6. Now here again choose the hundreds place digit, that is 3. So this is the lesser than the divisor. That is not possible to do division. So take 2-digit number 39. 39 in 6 table. How many times? Say 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42. So here we want 39, but 39 is not there. 39 is lie between 36 and 42. We have to choose the lesser number, that's why 36. 6 sixes are 36. Do subtraction. 9 minus 6. How much? 3. 3 minus 3? 0. No value for left side 0. 3 is the lesser than 6. So write it down the next place value, that is 6. Again 36 how many times? 6 times. 6 6 are 36. 36 minus 36 how much? 0. Here 0 is the remainder, 66 is the quotient. Now next one, sixth one children, 684 divided by 9. 684 divided by 9. Here also choose 2 digits, 68. 68 in 9 table. So once recall 9 table, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72. So here we want 68. 68 is lie between 63 and 72. We want lesser number, that's why we are choosing 63. 9 sevens are 63. 68 minus 63. 8 minus 3. How much? Take 8 fingers, cut off 3. How many remaining? 5. 6 minus 6? 0. So 5 is lesser than 9. That is not possible to do division. That's why write it down 4. 54. In 9 table 54 how many times? 9 6 are 54. 54 minus 54? 0. Here 0 is the remainder. 76 is the quotient. Like this, you will ask your parents to give some problems like this and do at home. Okay?